Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Moringa Sabzi. Start by stripping leaves from stems and washing them well, then drain thoroughly. Heat oil, add mustard seeds and curry leaves until they pop. Sauté onions until translucent, add spices, chopped green chilies and tomatoes. Fold in moringa leaves, cook briefly until tender, and finish with a squeeze of lemon and a pinch of salt for brightness. Gather ingredients and measure them before you begin to keep the cooking flow smooth. Chop the onion and tomato and prepare the moringa by removing stems. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan and have spices ready. Keeping everything at hand prevents overcooking and makes seasoning adjustments easy. This mise en place helps you cook confidently and get consistent texture and flavor in the Moringa Sabzi every time. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing recipes you enjoy. Quick recommendation: read anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's perfect for keeping your favorite recipes handy and splatter-free, and small enough to sit on a counter without taking up space. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Heat the pan and start with tempering to build flavor quickly and efficiently. Sauté onions until golden, then add turmeric and cumin to bloom the spices. Stir in chopped tomato and cook until it softens and the oil separates. Add moringa leaves last and fold gently, cooking just 3 to 5 minutes to preserve nutrients and vibrant color. Finish with salt and lemon to balance the flavors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.